students, today we are going to start question formation. We can form questions in many ways. We can make question sentences as per given directions. We are asked to form a question to get underlined word as an answer. To form a question, we have to understand WH words, that is, who, what, where, when, why, how many, how much, how long, how far, etc. First one, who. When the underlined word is subject, then we can form a question with who. For example, first example, Nehal will explain us unit 2. Here we can see that word Nehal is underlined, so we will form question like this. Who will explain us unit 2? Second one, Ria is going to start a new project. Here we can see that Ria word is underlined, so we will form question like this. Who is going to start a new project? And we will have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Now second one, what. When the underlined word is object, then we can form question with what. We will have to change verb forms as per tenses. Sometimes we have to add do, does, did as per tenses. For example, Atul keeps his bag under the table. So his bag word is underlined. So we will form question like this. What does Atul keep under the table? Second one, she made colorful pictures during vacation. Here, colorful pictures word is underlined, so we will form question like this. What did she make during vacation? Third one, where. When the underlined word refers to the place or location, then we can form a question sentence with where. While making a question sentence, we must do changes in verbs as per tenses. For example, first one, they visited zoo last week. Here we can see that word zoo is underlined, which is the place. So we form question like this. Where did they visit last week? So second example, she will go to Nagpur next month. Here we can see that word Nagpur is underlined. So we will form question like this. Where did she go next month? Fourth one, when. When the underlined word indicates time, then we can form a question sentence with when. While making the question sentences, we must keep in mind the changes in verbs as per tense. For example, first one, students will finish their assignment at 5 o'clock. Here we can see that 5 o'clock word is underlined, which indicates the time. So we will form question. When will students finish their assignment? Second one, Rohan left the hotel in the evening. In the evening word is underlined, so we will form question. When did Rohan leave the hotel? Fifth one, why. When the underlined word refers to the reason, then we can form question sentence with why. While making question sentence, we must do changes in verbs as per tenses. For example, first one, Shweta could not attend class because she was ill. Here, because she was ill, word is underlined, which is reason of this sentence. So we will form question. Why could Shweta not attend the class? Second one, as he is out of town, he is unable to finish the project. Here, as he is out of town, word is underlined. So we will form question. Why he is unable to finish the project. Sixth one, questions with how. We can form questions with how many, how much, how far, how long. So, in first sentence, if the sentence asks for manner, then we can form question sentence with how. So, example is here. How did you make this tasty breakfast? Second, if this sentence asks for the number of things or person, then we can form question with how many. For example, how many books does she have in her bag? Next, If the sentence asks for the matter which is not countable, it means which is not countable in 1, 2, 3 numbers, then we can form questions with how much. For example, how much sugar do you want? Next, if the sentence asks for the distance, then we can form a question with how far. For example, how far is your town from my place? Next, when we are asking for the time duration, then we can form a question with how long. For example, how long he will take to finish his work. So this was our topic, question formation, and we can form questions in these 6 ways or many more. So here we are finishing our topic.